Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
To reset your Hisense Smart TV to factory settings, navigate to the Settings menu using your remote. Select System, then find Advanced System Settings or Device Preferences, depending on your model. Choose Factory Reset and confirm the action. You might need to enter a PIN. Default is usually 0000. This process will erase all personal data, account information, and downloaded apps, restoring the TV to its original state. Use this method as a last resort for troubleshooting or to prepare the TV for a new owner.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.